elimination. Elimination, the best way to know is this. When they line up to one another, like x's are lined up, y's are lined up, and then the constant is lined up, the best way to do elimination is to finding out, like, if this is 3, you want this to be -3. So positive 3, -3, x, they can cancel, right? Or if it is positive 5, then I have to be -5. They can cancel. Or if this is 4, then the best bet for this to be -4. Or if this is y, the best bet is this to be -y. So you have to, so as you can see, none of them kind of, there's no opposite to one another, right? So we have to make one of the equation to be opposite to one another. First thing is to label them, equation 1, equation 2. All right, so it looks like I'm gonna have to fix, one of them so they can have the opposite to one another. All right, so it'll be hard for me to figure out how to make this a 3, positive 3. That's gonna be hard, but this one though, I can multiply this by -4. So if I multiply the entire thing by -4, I'll have positive 4 and -4 at the bottom. All right, let's do the work. So this entire thing right here will be multiplied by -4, right? So what I'm saying is this. I need to fix equation number 2. So let's fix it. Come on, camera. Come on. Hey, camera. Come on, work with me here. All right, so I'm fixing equation 2. So I'm going to multiply everything by -4. All right, so that should be -20x, -4y, because just multiply, and multiply, -120. So now, this is the correct equation 2. So let's rewrite the whole problem. So the first equation, the original one, was 3x plus 4y equals to 52. And the second one, it's, after I fix it, see, -4y, -120. All right, now those are lined up perfectly. Elimination is for this reason. They are opposite to one another. Adios, my friend. They go away. 3 minus 20, you get 17x. Here, 52 minus 120, you get -68. You divide both sides by -17. You should have x equals 4. And if you remember, the solution needs to be xy. So I already have the 4. I already have the x, I need to get the y. So your best bet is to take the x and go plug it in somewhere to get the y. You go back, you plug it into original, right? The original right here. So, meaning this one. All right, so where should I plug in the 4? Wherever, you can plug it anywhere you want for the x. You can plug it in right here. I just feel like this negative is just too much work. Although they give me the correct, but I feel like it's too much work. I'll plug it in right here because the number seems to be positive, kind of like easy to work with. So I'm gonna take this I'm gonna plug it in for x. So right here, right? So it should be 3 parentheses times 4, right? Plus the 4y equals the 52. All right, let's do our thing. That's 12 plus 4y equals 52 minus 12. 4y equals, what's that, 40. Divide by 4. Y equals 10. Hey, so I have my y now. That's my solution. And then you're like, I'm done, coach. What's next? All right, I'm gonna do the other one too, number 2. Let me reverse it. All right, I want to do another example here. Is number 2. Sorry, y'all. The struggle is real. I'm making this video as of this morning. So with this one, like I said, I always start by labeling them 1 and 2, right? I need to make this opposite to one another. Either this is positive. Either make this -2. Or make this -4. Either make this a +5 here, or make this a -3, right? So my best bet is just to make this a -4. So that means, so if I make this a -4, then I can cancel these, right? All right, so now I need to multiply all of this by -2. So I need to fix the first one. So I'm gonna write 1. You gotta be fixed. So I'm gonna multiply u by -2. So the whole deal right there. So you take this negative 2 times right here, negative 2 times right here, negative 2 times right here. All right, what you have, negative 4x, negative 2 times negative 5, you get positive 10y, negative 2 times 6, you get negative 12. All right, so you are clean, my friend. Now I can bring the whole thing, let's rewrite it. All right, so the first one, I just fixed it. It's the negative 4x plus 10 equals negative 12. And the equation 2 was just fine. I'm just gonna rewrite it right here. Oh, I forgot the y here, y'all. Y. All right, because it comes from here. All right, let's continue. So it was 3y equals negative 1. All right, so now, as you can see, by elimination, those can be canceled. You know, positive 4, negative 4, opposite to one another. Adios. Draw my line. Let's do this thing. So 10 plus 3 is 13y. Negative 2 minus 1, negative 13. Divide that by 13. Divide that by 13. Y equals negative 1. And then remember your solution, right? Your solution needs to be x and y. And it looks like I already have the y, which is negative 1. I need to find the x, question mark. To find the x, you just got to take your y and go plug it in. You're going to plug it in my original right here. So which one is easy to work with? The fact that I have a negative, you can plug it in right here for the y. You plug it in right here, but you get the right answer. But I would plug it in. I rather plug it in right here because I don't have a negative. Kind of easy number to work with. So you take the negative 1, you plug it in right here. Let's do our work. So I had a positive 4x plus 3. Now you plug in your y, which is negative 1, equals, what was that? Oh, yeah, negative 1 right there too, negative 1. All right, so let's do our work. So that should give me negative 3, right? Bring down the 4x equals negative 1 on the outside, plus 3 and plus 3. That goes away. You have your 4x here, and negative 1 plus 3, that's positive 2. Divide that by 4. Divide that by 4. I should have exactly half. X equals 1/2. 1/2. And that is my solution. All right, cool. You do the rest.